Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and we've just had some new Apophyllite in, so I thought it'd be a good time to just have a little chat about Apophyllite. If I just show you what we've got in stock first, these are got two different sizes here. The one you're looking at is one of the smaller ones, and then we've got some larger ones there. And they're all individual, and we will photograph them all individually as well, so that when we put them on the web you can have your choice of which one that you want. Have a nice one. And Apophyllite is really good to keep a piece in amongst your other crystals because it keeps them energetically clean. Also thought to be good for fatigue. Very good choice for deep relaxation. So if you come home stressed from work, have a little bit of this by the side of you. Very good for meditation and for connecting with your spirit guides and your angels. It's also thought to be good for the respiratory system as well. And if you've done a deep clean on your house and then you feel you've still got sort of a rogue spirit lying around, then if you place a bit of this in the room where you feel the spirit is, it will banish that spirit. So they're lovely, aren't they? So we've got 8 pieces in total. And as I said, you can have your choice of them on the web. So these will all be active on our website now. This is Apophyllite. My name is Gay from spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk.